Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We have the formula in here. So if we do first the derivative of y, we keep the same, this one. Later that, we need to do first the derivative of as. And this is the technique how to answer this one. Now we can apply the formula in here. This one we have number one. This one that is about the constant. So you got number 0. This is the end. Thank you for watching.